Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, Anambra South Senatorial District. I have a motion on the exorbitant increase and unjustifiable shipping fees charged by shipping companies on Nigerian-bound cargoes.
Senator Ifeanyi Ubah.
Thank you, Mr. President. Distinguished colleagues, I'm Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, Anambra South Senatorial District. I have a motion on the exorbitant increase and unjustifiable shipping fees charged by shipping companies on Nigerian-bound cargoes. Mr. President, the Senate knows that Nigeria is an import-driven economy with excessive dependency on import for consumptions and capital goods. Know that shipping sector is key in facilitating the continuity of economic activities, ensuring supply chain to industries, transportation of essential goods, including energy, food supplies, and transportation of vital medical and protective equipment in Nigeria. Senate also note that vessels coming to Nigerian ports queue longer when compared to other countries, sometimes 30 days before berthing in our ports due to various circumstances. Senate further notes that the cost of shipping goods into Nigerian ports is among the highest in the world, with the figure for a Apapa port costing more than thrice of that to Ghana, Cotonou, Togo, and other neighboring countries. Worried at the report on overseas cargoes and freight caused by MobileDB, an online resource for international shipping, shows that the cost of shipping both 20-foot and 40-foot containers to Lagos is among the most expensive globally. The report covers the shipping cost from 47 port cities global. Worried also that the astronomical and unjustifiable charges are so high that importers in most cases abandon their cargoes in the port, thereby making MPA lose revenue and reducing the efficiency and turnaround of ships to Nigerian ports. Mr. President, a close look at charges in other countries shows, for example, from China to Ghana, presently costs $3,200 a container of 20 foot. From China to Cotonou, cost about $3,000, while from China to Nigeria presently costs $8,500. From $3,200 a few months ago. Opinion that this has caused unjust hardship to Nigerians as importers and transporters. As importers transfers expenditure to both traders and consumers. Senate further knows that in May 2017, Vice President Yemi Banjo, who was acting president at that time, signed an executive order directing 24 hours operation at Apapa Port and outlawing unofficial charges at the port. Aware that this order was aimed at improving the ease of doing business and reducing the high cost at the port. But available statistics suggest that these unjustifiable charges and extortions by shipping agencies and law enforcement officers at the port have continued till date. Further aware that the imposition of these exorbitant charges on Nigerian-bound cargoes from $3,200 to $8,500 by shipping companies was introduced at a time when the nation is still trying to get out of the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Worried that the arbitrary introduction of excessive shipping charges will strangulate Nigerian shippers and importers, and concerned that if we do not rise up and defend our nation from this economic sabotage, this development can cause a spiral inflation rate on the economy. Senate accordingly resolved to, Mr. President, and mandate the Senate Committee on Marine Transport to engage with stakeholders in the shipping industries and Nigerian Ports Authority with a view to provide solution to this urgent matter. Thank you, Mr. President.
Senator Nicholas Tafomo.
Our Senate President, sir, I'm seconding this motion as a matter of urgent adjustment on exploitation. Shipping fees into Nigeria at a very high rate compared to other countries is unfortunate and sad. High shipping fees has led to very high rates of imported goods. As a matter of urgency, federal government should intervene to arrest this exploitation without delay. Nigeria's seaport is the busiest in Africa and the most expensive. It is tantamount to massive exploitation, and there is urgent need to reduce and rectify the exploitation and anomaly. Shipping fees must be reduced without delay. Thank you.
Is anybody against the bill or the motion? We go to the prayer. Mandate the Committee on Marine Transport to engage with stakeholders in the shipping industry and Nigeria Port Authority with a view to profile solution to this matter. Those in favor say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, the last order of the day